Hello. Oh, that's loud. Hello, 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 friends. Hello, hello. Move that a bit. There. Okay. I'm still trying to get the hang of streaming from my new Mac. So if there's any drop frames, I apologize. So far, we have dropped 229 frames, but that's insignificant. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. So yes. Hi. Right there. Yes. All right. Hi guys. How you doing? I'm Nelson. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And all my friends are over. Webcams are hard. Yeah. Hello, friends. All of you over here. Donald, Steven, Richard, Ethan, Peter, Riley's here. Kevin Baum. What is up, everyone? Hope you guys had a great weekend. It is Sunday night. Hopefully you guys did something fun, something productive, or just hung out with family. But yeah, what did I do over the weekend? I just chilled with the family. Wife is sick right now. She was supposed to stream last Friday doing my rebrand, and man, she was sick and she couldn't do it. But she was so prepared. She had sketches ready and she wanted to surprise me, like, oh my god, I have a good idea, and I haven't even seen it yet. So hopefully this week she can. But last week, what I did was I did my first big talk over at Designed for a meetup over at in Utah. And thanks to my friend Chris over there who invited me over. And yeah, I spoke about how, I feel like Webflow can really change lives. It really changed my life as well as my wife's life. And yeah, I just want to bring this message out to more and more people. If you know of a meetup, or if you know of a meetup in your local area that you want me to come speak at, please DM me. Let's get this going. It's part of the thing that I really want to do is to just spread the good word of Webflow. I mean, it's changed all of your lives, and so let's bring it to more lives and make, like I always say, make the web beautiful, right? Who else is here? Oh, Spencer's here. Wait, is that yeah, Spencer? What is up? Thank you for joining me tonight. Will you come to Perth? No, sorry, it has to be in United States. Sorry. Um, yeah. Uh, yeah, it's too far away. But maybe one day, maybe next year, maybe we'll see. But I'm gonna say no for now. But you never know what's gonna happen next year. Mike is just a bit hot, Nelson. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Hello. That gain though. Is that better? Let's fix this. Like one. Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Much better. Okay. Sorry about that. I had the gain real hot. All right. Too many gains. All right. Thank you, friends, for being here. So again, if you're the first time, welcome. I try to stream every other night around 9:30 p.m. Pacific. You can check me out at Twitter, twitter.com/thepixelgeek. I usually announce in the afternoon, hey, I'm going to stream. I tried to stream yesterday because I thought my wife was feeling better. And the next thing you know, she was like, no, I can't. You got to watch the baby. And I was like, all right, that's fine. I got this. So yeah, we're doing it today. Oh, and next week, please, so if you haven't already, subscribe to youtube.com/webflow. Please click that bell, because next week is going to be another fun stream on the official Webflow channel. It's going to be really fun. I can't tell you the topic. We'll probably announce the topic probably tomorrow, but I'm not going to tell you guys yet. Okay? So please start subscribing and all that stuff. Anyways, what are we doing today? Yeah. What? I don't know. What's the topic? You'll learn tomorrow. I mean, Webflow workshops are always the thing, to tune into. Yeah. I'll just give you that. I like to start the hype train, like little teasers here and there. All right, I'm gonna switch screens. Hopefully we don't lose frames. Here we go. Am I losing frames? No? We're good. All right. First thing I want to talk about. This cool thing I saw on Reddit. You can click and drag this and make your own. It's border radius. I didn't know border radius can do this. But wouldn't it be cool if Webflow had a thing like this where you can make a custom shape? But yeah, if you want to make a custom shape or a custom cutout or something for your elements, dude, right here. I'll put the link in the chat right now. Spencer, how do you like your Mac? Couldn't figure out how to record computer audio with OBS. I love it. It's not that hard. Just make sure to change your properties on your microphone. And yeah, make sure it goes to your Yeti or whatever. But yeah, dude, check that link out. That's so cool. And then you can copy it and then like paste it into your Webflow, and there you go. But yeah, it'd be really cool if there was something like this. And see, this is the power of visual coding. Webflow is a visual coding tool, and so many tools are going towards this type of thing. Every cool tool that's out there today is like doing visual coding, and this is just another little snippet of what could be possible with visual coding. I'm just dragging stuff and I'm coding it, as you can see down here. Same thing with Webflow. So I think, what's his name? Mr. Banks? What's his name? Yeah, Mr. Banks on Twitter said he actually put it in the wish list. So I'm going to upvote that. Hopefully you guys can too. Go to wishlist.webflow.com. All right, so besides this, what am I doing? Today, I was just getting back into Rocket League, and because one of our developers started a Rocket League bracket just for fun, and there's no prizes, just maybe bragging rights, and I was like, yeah, I'm in. I used to play that before I started streaming and before Fortnite. And then he put it up, and I was like, okay, I'm in. So I played my first round and I won. Sorry to Brandon, part of the customer success team. Sorry to him for beating him 3-0. But yeah. Did that sound bad? Oh, I feel bad now. But anyways, because of that, I was like, okay, I get very competitive. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to watch Rocket League. And Rocket League Championship Series, Series 6 is going on right now. So I'm like, okay, I'll watch that to pick up some tips and tricks subconsciously. And then I went to their website. I'm like, oh my God, it needs some work. So what I'm going to do is we're going to break down this homepage and see if we can use CSS Grid to make it better, in a different layout. Okay. So first things first, the breakdown. I need some titles or something like to go the breakdown. All right, here we go. So you have Rocket League logo, and then you have its secondary logo for the esports. Ooh, it does that little shimmer. Well, that's cool. Huh? How do you do that? That's interesting. I don't know how to do that. All right, so you have that, and then you have rules and register right here, and then you have their main nav. In my opinion, this main nav can be condensed even more. I feel like it's too big. It's too much. All right, when it comes to a UX thing, I feel like if the tournament's already running, you can't really register anymore. So why even have these two up there? Yeah, I wouldn't have those up there when the tournament is going on. But when the tournament is done, it's like an off season, then show those. Or yeah, you should show those. So I would condense these all to one nav bar. Make it simple. All right. I haven't been to the NFL website, National Football League website, in a while. Let me see here. Am I allowed to? No, I'm scared to put NFL on here. Well, this is for education purposes. but still, NFL. No, I'm not gonna go to their website. I don't know what the rules are for live streaming yet. But anyways, it feels like this idea was taken from the NFL's website, and I'm like, waiting for a scroll like this just takes too long. What if you can just have an all in one column? So, well, I was thinking about this before the stream. Please show. Oh, it shows up. Cool. So I was like, okay, what if it was more simple? Where? Now, let me get my pen. Where is it? Okay, what if this the first column you ever see, because when you're coming here, the first thing you want to look at is the recent scores, right? And so wouldn't it be cool if it was just a left not a left nav, but a left column that you can scroll up and down really quickly and just scan through to see if your team won? So I was thinking of doing that. They have an ultra condensed version of the scoreboard. Where? I'm redesigning the homepage as a concept. Oh, on NFL. Okay, yeah, not going there. All right, so you have this guy. So very simple wireframe. So yeah, these would be the scores. And the main thing about Rocket League ESports is their Twitch channel. So why not just put Twitch at the top right here? You know, and if they're not, oh my God, dropping frames. Okay, we're not dropping. Oh, weird. Anyways, if they're not streaming, you can watch a replay, and that's like automatic on a Twitch embed. And then I was going to put one of their latest news article, like put their latest news article, and then probably have like a read more news or something like that, like this right here, view more news. And then lastly, they have four recent videos, and videos is what people want to watch, because if you're watching Rocket League Championship Series, you're usually the type who wants to download those tips and knowledge subconsciously. You just want to watch the pros play so you can get better yourself, right? So I'm gonna put those four in a 2x2 grid at the bottom corner. Where you at? There you are. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna try. Sorry if I'm dropping frames. Oh man. Maybe I should stick to PC Master Race. All right, we're good. We're good. I don't understand the stuff. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. Cool. So I've already uploaded some assets right here. So I did all of these. So we're just going to work with these, okay? Not all of them. And I've already found their type kit font Magistral. So yeah, added all of these already to the custom fonts. So let's go. Yeah. Wait, I gotta get my wireframe. Okay, there it goes. Let's do this. Let's have some fun. All right, first thing I want to do is, let's see here. I'm not gonna use grid. Well, should I use grid for the nav? Well, no, the nav is gonna be. Yeah, let's just grid it up. Right here. No more beta. Bam. Grid. Alright. First thing I'm going to do, turn off the gap. Cool. And let's go ahead. How many columns? I don't know. Hold on. I need to set my height. There we go. Oh, they changed it to red. Look at that. Ain't that interesting? I don't want red. I want purple. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, come back. Okay, so what do I want to do? I don't know what I want to do. Also, if you've already been playing with Grid and you have something awesome to show off during the stream, put your link. I want to see it. Alright, so I feel like there needs to be the top row is nav, and then so let's do 3 rows. All right, and so this row right here is going to be nav, and so I'm going to set that as a pixel to 75. Yeah, 75 is cool. And so those are set. All right, I think I can deal with that. Interesting. Or maybe I need more than that because of my bottom news row. I'm just gonna keep playing. I don't know what I need. Okay, so I need 3 columns. Yeah, 3 columns is good. And then this one's gonna be small. So this column right here, let's make them pixel 200. 200 was 250 for the scores. I think that's gonna be good. Okay, I think we're done. Interesting grid. Actually, I can add one more for the 2x2, huh? Okay, I'm feeling this one because the 2x2 right here is going to be the videos, and then right here is going to be my news article, and then this whole thing right here is going to be the Twitch embed, and then this top right here will be the nav, and then this one right here will be my scores. Cool. Grid done. All right. Challenge. I can't hang around until the end, but I have a challenge for you. Kevin is saying, think we could use Microsoft PWA Builder, Progressive Web Apps Builder with Webflow for mobiles. Not sure. I haven't used Microsoft PWA Builder. So, yeah, I don't know how to answer that one. All right, so let's put our nav bar here. Okay. Nav bar, put you here. Boom. Well, that's fun. All right. And what I always do is I put a div inside of this because I don't want to use the basic container. I want my own. And this nav menu shouldn't be floating. It should just be floating. Should not be floating at all. Same thing with this brand. No floats. Cool. And this one right here. Let's go ahead and make sure. Can I flex? Center. Nice. And this nav bar right here. Can I? No, I can't. I'm trying to center its children, so I'm gonna have to flex. Yeah. Cool. All right. Now let's go ahead and let's call this nav container. Don't want to leave it as nav block. So what I did was made sure that the things inside of the nav bar are vertically centered. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some logos. So Rocket League, you go in there. Whoa, SVG. Look at that. Whoa, that's huge. Okay, well, for concept purposes only. Okay, this brand right here. I'm not gonna call it brand. I'm gonna call it logo. Actually, main logo, because you have the esports logo too. All right, and you are like let's make it small. 120. All right, cool. And we're gonna put another one because this is for the second. It's like it's their other brand. It's their esports, and so right here, it feels awkward to me that there's all this space. Maybe it's good for the eyes, that's more space, but I feel like when it comes to all this information, you want to find the information fast, and so it's like this just feels weird. And plus this is cut off. Oh, and one other thing about sliders. Please don't autoplay your slider. Please don't autoplay your slider. It's not worth it because yeah. Why am I dropping frames, yo? Ugh. Okay, anyways, keep on going. Because it's hard for people to read this. And if it's going so fast, it's like, Then again, it's just small headlines. I don't know. It's just, it feels too busy when you have an autoplay slider, in my opinion. All right. So what I did with this logo was I made it horizontal, and I'll show you. So let me go ahead and bring this guy in. And let's call this RLCS logo. This one right here, RLCS shield. Cool. Something like that. And also we need the esports. Put it right there. Cool. That's pretty large, so let's go ahead and fix that. It's only 25. Whoa. We'll say 100. Okay, cool. Let's move it away from the other one. Something like this. RLCS ESports. Is that redundant? All right. Let's move this away. Let's say by 15, and also 15 again on the padding and margin. The reason why is because I want to add a border in between them. I'll do something like this. Usually you can see the border color as you're dragging this. You don't see the outline, but okay, well, we'll see. This navbar still has that default DDD, so let's set it to not transparent. What's this color? What color are you? Body. Aha, found it. Cool. All right. So the black border is definitely not going to show up, so now we got to make it white. Yeah, I can't see it anymore. I'll set it at 50 and see what's up. So far, so good. Good, throw it back a little bit more. Cool. Like it. Here we go. All right, nav container. Let's just make sure that there's some space. Ugh, that's on the grid. It's a nav container. Let's go ahead and make sure that you have space on the sides. That looks better. See how more condensed and like more official? I don't know. It feels better because you're saving in space. And the vertical version of this doesn't seem to work for websites. Whereas like even their own their main property is horizontal. I mean, they can make it vertical as well for other things, but the web is horizontal until you get to mobile. Yeah. So this makes more sense to me. All right, moving on. This nav container, let's just push it all the way with expand. All right, next we need our nav menu. Let's push that away. Push that away by like 50. Okay. And let's go ahead and color these as, are they using white? Oh, wait, forgot my link. Here are my body tag. I need to change the font to Magistral. I'm not using Montserrat today. Yay! Finally. All right, nav link. Here we go. White. Are they using white? Ooh, it does a glow. I can do that too. I can do anything better than you. Okay, so let's. I'm guessing they start off. Let's start off with white, but opacity, like this. We'll go at 65, right? And yeah, on hover, the background will have that gradient. I'm not gonna pull the gradient. I'm just gonna go from what it looks like to me. So this one, let's go nothing, and then this one will go that blue. Something. We'll go with that one. Let me add it. Cool. Actually, no, this needs to go down more. Cool. And I'm going to choose this one, but I did it. I was afraid of that. It's going to change the solid color. That one. There. That one. Okay, cool. Fixed. Oh, actually, this should be radial. The reason why is because it's weird to have just a awkward cutoff on the edges. So this is more of a glow, like a spotlight or something. If I do it like with radial and pull it down like this, seems much cooler. All right. Yeah, all it is just a fade in. Cool. Thomas, what's up, Thomas? Welcome. Okay, so that's the hover effect and none. So if we go like this, cool. So let's see if I can do a transition for background gradients. I'm thinking it's just background color. It's not. What's the transition then? I don't want to use all. Background position. I might have to use all. Ooh. Oh, all doesn't even work either. Anyone know? I guess I have to use custom code. Darn. Yeah, so how do I do background gradient? What are they doing? Okay, I need to know. Dude, they did all. You're not... I thought the rule is you're not supposed to do all. Where's their gradient? Like, am I missing something? Wait. What is this? It's a PNG. Look at them. Oh. Oh, I see. See what you guys did there. All right. Well, I'm just going to leave it as is. I'll figure out something for this. But let's keep going. Navlink. Okay, cool. So what did they got? They got news, schedule, stats. Yeah, it's all caps, huh? Yep. Let's fix that. Boom. News, schedule, stats, standings, videos, rewards, standings, videos, rewards. So what we got? Looks pretty cool. Well, actually, one more thing on the hover would be really cool if the border bottom was that. Yeah. Yeah? No, brighter. Because it's like the light is coming from that line. That's my thought process on that. Maybe something like this. Cool. And now, I have that little jerkiness happening, so I need to set this to 1 pixel transparent. And also, let's push this down by 1. There we go. So that's the trick. If you want to, you're adding 1 pixel to the bottom for your border, so you gotta push it down by 1 pixel. There we go. Cool. See, in my opinion, much cleaner. And then if it's off season, then we can add these two. But I mean, just saying, like, imagine having 2 icons right here. That's like very bright color, like bright orange, to say register. And like, why should it be rules and register? Why can't it just be register? Because you, in my opinion, would you really need to read the rules if you're not registering? I don't know. Okay, keep going. All right, that was fun. That was easy. Let's keep going. Okay, let's get the stats. The here we go. Whoop. Oh, so easy. All right. Scores. All right. So what's going to happen in the scores is, let's go ahead and make that background color as well. Boom. Is that the right one? No, it's the wrong one. Let me save it as a swatch. The scores is going to have overflow for scrolling. So there we go. Scroll. Da, da, da. So overflow is going to be auto. Okay, so what that's going to do is, if, oh, I need to set a height. Huh. So here's a problem. Here's a problem. Okay. I think there's an issue here. Because I can't calculate 100 VH minus 80. You know? So if I do a height of 100%, what happens? Okay. Because I want to put data, and I want data to go beyond the canvas. I'm wondering what's going to happen. Let's see. Let's just make our first scorecard. Okay, first scorecard. Did I save this guy? I did, right here. And I didn't save the rival series, but it's okay. We'll just do this one for now. All right. So, all right, we're gonna make our first scorecard, and we'll just copy what they have right now. Okay. So, ooh, this is a grid within a grid. I just realized that. So let's do a title first, a title row with the shield, with the RLCS shield. All right, so we're gonna do a title one. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work. Score title bar. Yeah. Okay, and this is going to flex because it's only one direction, so I don't really need grid. And they're gonna be aligned center because I want you in there. Okay, doing good. RLCS shield. Oh, I already used that. The logo. Okay. I already used that too. RLCS gold shield. Okay. Let's make this like 50. Cool. Okay, so now I'm thinking these 3 logos are right next to each other. And is that too loud visually? Hey Juan, what's up? Riley, not sure if you can put a transition on gradient. Could be wrong though. Can you put a CSS transition on a background gradient? Oh, you can do a transition. Okay. You want to fade in. You can have, oh, so you can use opacity, meaning that the gradient, is on a different element. All right, I want to do that. Let's do it. Why? Because things. I wish, can I say, I wish I can save this as a swatch. Whatever. Okay, let's do it. Oh, these are all text. These are all text links. They're not link blocks. All right, that's fine. That's fine. You got this. I got it. Nav link. All right, and inside of it, oh, wait a minute. This is 20 on all sides. There. Made them all blue. Okay, and this one should have text inside. And this is breaking stuff. News. Okay, and make sure that this nav link has position relative, because position relative, I'm gonna have like the gradient under the text. So I have to set one of the elements to position absolute, and I'm thinking the element is going to be the gradient. So let's do that, and we're good. We have our hover still. Yep. Okay, cool. So that's done, and so let's go ahead and I think we might have to do an interaction for this. Yeah, kind of complicated just to do this, but you know, you gotta go for it sometimes. Nav link gradient. Sometimes if you want something custom, you gotta go for it. Don't say, oh, okay, I can't do it. I mean, there are workarounds. Okay, so this guy right here, radial, switch it. You'll do that, and you'll. Oh, I'm gonna click this, and it's gonna click on. It's gonna be on. Yeah, if I did that, it would have been solid color again. There we go. Okay, drag it down here. There we go. All right, cool. Okay, so the nav link gradient is, I want that to go under. So that means that this text block right here, nav link text, should be position relative and go above it. There we go. Cool beans. And yeah, one more thing. What if it slid up? So kind of like a slow light. What just happened? Did I lose my border? No, my border's still there. Okay. Why did that move up when I did overflow hidden? That was interesting. Okay, let's delete all of these, because I'm going to retype them anyways. All right. Let's go ahead and this one should be, that's 1, this one's 0. Okay. So on the nav link, let's go ahead and do an interaction hover. Start animation, nav link gradient, and move. Its initial display, its initial position will be down here. And then when I hover over it, it'll go back to 0. And linear sucks, and so let's go ease out and set the duration to 0.25. Okay. Can't really tell. Maybe 0.5 is better. Yeah, that's too slow. 0.3. Cool. No. Fighting myself. 0.2 and be done with it. Cool. Now we just need the hover out. So let's rename this nav link hover in. Start animation. Nav link hover out. And it's this gradient. Push it back down to 40 with ease in 0.2. Cool. And lastly, this nav link right here needs a transition of border. An interaction is already providing transition. Adding another will cause unexpected behavior. Well, let's see. Show me. No, it's fine. Cool. Do you see a line right here? Did I do that? Why is there a line? No. Oh. Is that just me? Or is this part of the... It's getting brighter each time. Whoa, that's weird. Okay, is that the unexpected behavior they're talking about? If so, then okay, you win. Okay. All right, let's leave it like that, and let's. Oh wait, one last thing. It has to be reusable. You can't leave it like that. Here's how to make it reusable. Da-da-da. Class, children. Cool. Same thing with the hover out. Oh, class, children. Yay. So now we can just copy pasta. Nav link. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, psh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. News, schedule, stats, standings, videos. Oh. Videos, rewards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, why did I put so many? There you go. Cool. All right, back on the scores. Oh, I don't even know how to say that name. I think you're new. Hello, it starts with the H. But welcome. Publish it and see it in the link. Sometimes it's different in the preview view. Okay. All right. Yeah, it looks good. If you want to follow along, here I go. Here you go. There's the link. All right. So, where are we at? Right here. Yeah, let's make this a different color. So the score, title bar. Let's throw it down something like this. 10 sounds good. What color are they using for that guy? Pick. You're not getting the right color. There. Cool. Let's save it. Nice. Okay, and what are we gonna call this? We'll call it season 6. We'll give it a title of season 6. No, come back. Season 6. Anyone else watching RLCS? I was really rooting for, was it the one with Scrub Killa in it? The team with Scrub Killa. Like they were almost coming back for reverse sweep, but then there was the overtime, and then PGS won it, and I was like, "Aw." I kind of like going for the underdogs, especially if it's Scrub Killer, because I haven't seen him. I don't think he's ever been in a championship because he's so young, and was this his first time or something? Actually competing to get into Rocket League LAN, the playoffs. I think this should be centered. What do you guys think? See, yeah, yes, no, someone help me. All right, well, let's move on. All right, so that score is done. Let's put another div inside of there. There we go. So this is navlink hover border bottom. This is the line below. Huh? Not sure what you mean, Juan. Score card. When you hover over line below the link. Yep. That's I want that, but like when I want the transition though, and I think I have to do that with interactions because I'm already using interactions, and so I'm conflicting the code when I'm doing interactions and transitions, or CSS transitions. But I can fix it later if there's time. All right, let's get this color right here. I'm guessing it's that. All right, scorecard. Get this color. Is that the same? I don't think so. Oh, I can't see it. Hold on. Let's just... Yeah, it's different. Okay, cool. Remove all of that. Okay, so what's going to be in it? Oh, this is going to be grid. Okay, so this grid is going to be cool because it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is so cool because this can be inside of both. And so it'd be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 rows, and this one's a small one. And then 1, 2, 3 columns. Oh, grid. Grid, you're so awesome. Oh my god, grid. 0 on the gap. 3 and 3. So this top one right here, it can be really small. Pixels, let's say 20. Oh, they need to have a thing so I can move it. I can't move it. Oh well. But then again, I can... Oh, I can't. Can I? Oh, I can edit it here. Okay. I guess that's easier. So that's where going to be the title will be for the regional championships. Wait. It's regional championships. It's repeated over and over and over. Oh, I get it. Because this one will say like round of 16, round of 8, etc., etc. Okay. Cool. So regional championships goes up there. And then... What? Oh no, this should be 4 columns because you need the logo. Boom, easy. All right. Looks good. Maybe this does need a gap. So it's a gap of 8. Yeah. Cool. And cool. I think that's done with editing the grid. And can I push this away? I can. That's so cool. Okay. Oh, man. Put text right there. God, it's so easy now. Jeez. Oh, my God. Okay, let's fix this text. I'm thinking it's white. Is it white? Oh, it's not really white. It's like push back. Cool. Regional championships. Oh man. Oh man. Scorecard round. Like the name of the round, not round the shape. And is it all caps? Yeah, they love all caps. Okay, well then. Okay, there you go. You're all good. And yeah. Martin, what's up? Welcome to the stream. All right, so let's go and put the logos of the competitor teams. There's so much money now in esports. I remember when my coworker, like when I in my previous job, he was like, "What's esports? Esports isn't a thing. That's not gonna be a thing." And I was like, "Dude, it's gonna be a thing. There's so many people getting paid to play video games, and they're making teams." And he's like a die-hard Raiders fan when they were still in Oakland, and I'm like, just watch. It's a real thing. And he's like, okay. So now you hear about things like Dota 2 Invitational. You hear things like RLCS and dude, League of Legends is still nuts. You know, like man, it's a new generation. And then now it's like you have Ninja on the cover of ESPN. I wonder if he subscribes to ESPN and he's like, who is this guy? Why does he have blue hair? Who is this ninja? He must be so confused right now. Oh man. I'm not gonna say his name, but yeah, he's still a good guy. He was just like all about the Raiders. I heard that esports might become an Olympic sport. It could be. Like I wouldn't be surprised if it became an Olympic sport because it's a mind game. That's what sports are. They're like it's mind games, and also your you know, what is it? It's not only your mind but it's also your body. It's like it's a real thing. I mean, if ESPN shows poker and says that's a sport, and people are like complaining that video game people like they just sit down all day. Well then, why is ESPN showing that? But I'm glad that ESPN 2 or something had RLCS one time. All right, here you go, G2. Ugh, bring it down. Okay, so you have G2 and you have NRG. Alright, but these are team name. So team name needs to be bold. And it needs to be there. There you go. Team name. Okay. And these aren't vertically centered. No worries. Oh, wait, what? I thought you can. Oh, okay. Children. Center. Boom. Easy. Done. Yeah. All right. Let's get the score. Oh, this should be score bold instead. Because even the score is bolded. Wait, what did G2 get? Oh, G2 lost. 2 to 4. And then we're going to get text here and drag it to both and say final. Oh, that's so cool. And it's in between. You know how hard that is to do in like Flexbox? Like, man. Man, oh man. Look how pretty that looks already. I think I need to close the gap. Let's make this 4. Oh, God. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Okay, so the losers have to... They're not as bright. Okay, so score bold. And we'll just put it loser. That sounds bad. Oh, well. How about not winner? Oh god. And we'll make that 75. Oh no, 50. Nope. We'll go 70. Actually, it should be darker too. Right there. And we'll name this not winner as the color. And this one is not, wait. Score bold, not winner. There we go. You're designing, you're like, what? I just did this with a bunch of clicks. Oh, it blocked your message, Juan, because you put the word ASS. I think you meant as. As you're designing, you're like, what? I just did that with a bunch of clicks. I know, right? Nuts. All right, so we got that. Score, bold, and I'm guessing final needs to be white. Okay, so yeah. And then score status. So this is going to be full white, all caps, but it's small. There you go. All right, let's check it. How pretty. I think we can condense this even more. Yeah? Should we? I don't know. Let's see here. What if I push this? Let's say 20. That makes more sense. Yeah. Okay. And so what if this... Okay, would it be too much if this guy was less? Yeah, we'll just... How about 200? Yeah? Is that too much? Yeah, okay. Let's put it back. More breathing room. How about that? Yeah, good. I like it. Cool. I know, Steven, when Grid supports this Webflow CMS, yeah. Like, there was the thing, they're trying to do it, but it's like, that's the thing about development and product management, man. Like, do you wait until you have everything, or can you, like, go with version 1 first and then the next version? And so I'm glad they got it out now, and they'll have CMS soon. But oh man. Okay, so what I wanted to do is have the scroll. So what's gonna happen? Ooh. Oh. Let's see here. Scorecard. Okay, so scorecard copy. Oh, it's making the whole page scroll. So do I have to make this height like 80 VH or something? Oh, scared me. So I have to guess. 88.8. Like, I don't want the scroll bar. VH. 5. No scroll bar. Okay, I think I got it. But look, oh, see, there's a gap. See, there's a gap right here. Because there's no... Man. Wait, let me fix this. There. There's no calculation. I need 100 VH minus 88 or 80 pixels. Okay. Workaround. So I want this to go up there. And so that title bar is being covered. But I can go like this with the scores and set this to 80 on the... There you go. Should be 80. Should be less than. So what I did is the scores, it's under the nav bar. But I'm pushing it down with this padding from the top. There we go. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, cool. So yeah, we can leave it like that, or we can just make it a little bit more detailed. E.g., evil geniuses versus Cloud9. You know what's funny? Like the intersection of esports and traditional sports. Alexis Ohanian, co-founder of Reddit. Like it was funny seeing a picture of him wearing London Spitfire. It's an Overwatch esports team. London Spitfire hat while he was watching the U.S. Open. Watching his wife play at the U.S. Open. I'm like, that's pretty cool. He's repping esports at traditional sports. I wonder how many people there really knew what that logo was. Like Spitfire, what? Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. Cool. We'll leave it like that. 04. That's EG C9. And then you got G2 versus EG, I think. And G2 won 4-2. 4-2. And so remove because you won. Congratulations. And you are not the winner. Cool. Yeah, Reddit's co-founder is Alexis Ohanian, and his wife is the GOAT, the greatest of all time, Serena Williams. Yeah. Cool. Grid within a grid. That's fun. Next. Yeah, man. What the hell was gonna do? Oh, Twitch. Let's get their Twitch. Rocket League Twitch. Where's their official? There it is. Let's go get it. Let's get their embed. Share? Aha. I wonder, can I just... I doubt it. Hold on. Let me see here. Let me open up a text. Oh. Okay, let me get their channel name. So I got their code, which is this guy, and I'm just taking their URL directly to their video. So can I will Webflow do that? Put the video here. Okay, and then I wanted it to be the whole well, let's see here. Daw, bum 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 bum. Can't do it. Gonna have to do embed. Bring this embed here. We'll put this code for now. We don't need that extra stuff. Come on now. Everyone knows who Twitch is. You don't need that extra line. There you go. Just the iframe. Boom. Okay, and I want this to be the whole row, and or actually the whole column, all these columns and 2 rows. But I want you to be with 100%. Oops, 100%. And the height is... shoot, no height? Can it be... What's going to happen if I do that? Ooh. Oh, wait. 100% of his parent. Yeah, so 100%, 100%. Cool? Ah, cool. Okay, cool. So news here, videos here. We done. I think there needs to be some gap. Um, or at least this part right here, I need to put a grid within a grid. Because should everything be touching? I don't think so. Or I can just do this. Let's see here. Let's throw this like that and just give this a background color. We'll say 15. Give this a background color of that. Make it match. Let's see what we got so far. Oh, why? Why you like that? Oh, this is my first time using HTML embed with grid. So why is it? Look, it went smaller. Why? Dude, why you do the things? Here, let me publish. Huh. Also, by the way, my idea for this felt really good. Actually, I need to add border bottom to each scorecard. Doesn't make sense. Get there. Cool. Publish. What's that? CSS border, or no, CSS scroll bar color. I don't want to deal with this. But you know what I'm talking about. Like, this scroll bar is ugly. I need to remove it. Because it makes it look like an old school frames site. But this is like, why are you doing that? The grid is the whole thing. So there's something we've all learned. Okay, what if I put the whole thing like that? Oh, God, that just looks good. That actually... You know what? That actually feels better. Doing something that simple? Oh, man. Oh, man. This is making me rethink my design. Huh. What if it was like this and just call it a day? Do you really need extra videos and stuff? I mean, if you want videos, you would just go to them right there. If you want news, you just go right there. Do you really need another? Huh, what do you guys think? Keeping it simple. I love how it looks. Yeah. I don't think I need to add extra noise. Because if someone's like really into Rocket League ESports, they'll drill down into these. Like, diehard fans will do it. But if you want to see what you missed out on, you clicky this, because the UI for Twitch is that easy. Clicky and you're golden. Yeah. Huh. I think we good. I mean, I'm really interested. I'm really interested how many people are actually coming to this page while the tournament's happening. Okay. Now I'm thinking, if I'm a fan, which I kind of am a fan. I'm not a diehard Rocket League fan. I don't know all the teams. But I know that if I'm a fan, I would want to see at least the highlights. I don't want to watch the whole thing. I want to see highlights. It's kind of like being an NFL fan, you know? You want to see the highlights. And so the highlights would be here. Oh no, this is a full thing. So they don't do highlights. So yeah, if you're going to watch the full thing, okay, what happens if I click on watch? Does it go to a YouTube video or... Well, I can't see the UI because I gotta click that. So it goes to a YouTube video. So if people want to go straight to the game... Oh, look at this. Look at this. I just thought of something. UX, man. UX. They're only showing the 4 recent videos. Okay? The 4 recent matches. But... if I click on one of these, does it go... Okay, so it goes here. View by series. Why can't... See, look it. I'm here. Why can't I see the replay video? In order to see the replay video of this, I have to scroll down and find it here. You know? You know? So this gets me thinking, if I clicky on this, it should change this video. But that would take some JavaScripting, or each one would have its own page. Yeah, that would make more sense. Should I keep going with this, or... Oh, it's already been an hour? Man, I had some fun. Hopefully you guys had some fun watching. I think the easiest thing I can do right now, but not sure how that is going to be performance-wise for the user's computer, is click this and it opens up in a new a video modal. You know what? Let's go. Let's make one more page. I'm just going to copy this page. Actually, let's do this. Let's take this scores, right click, and create a symbol. And this symbol is going to be scores. That way, when I go on the other page, when I edit this, it edits the other page too. Edits the other side too. But first, let's just make one of these an actual link block. So it goes over to the... Ew, whoa, interesting. Ooh. Oh. Okay, here we go. Try it again. Score card. Cool. A link block can be grid. And so... Oh. Can I move this in? I can't. I'm gonna have to recreate it. Copy this. Paste it here. Okay, copy this. Paste it here. No! Yeah, kind of finicky. Click, wait for a second, and then drag. No! Okay, fine. Fine. Click. Nope. Drag in G2. Okay. Oh, this is horrible. Every time I put something in, I have to double click inside of the symbol. All right, lesson learned. And don't make it a symbol if it's a grid child. Make it a symbol later. Huh. Not fun times. Click, drag just a little. Yeah, there it goes. Now it's working. I think that's one of the issues. So, CSS Grid blog post. Support for symbols. Ah, yep, I was right. They don't have support for symbols yet. I say they. It's weird. I'm saying they as like, I'm not in the team, but yeah. Yes, Nintendo power. Okay, so symbols. Don't do it yet. Okay, so copy, paste. Ah, drag it here. Copy, paste, click, wait, then drag. Copy, paste, wait, then drag. Oh, look, I have underlines. That's not cool. Scorecard. No underlines. Thank you. Paste. No, I don't want that one. I want the other one. Ugh. There. Cool. One more. Okay, so this is going to click over to the next page, which I'm going to duplicate right now. And we'll just call it recap. And we can just delete this one, and then we'll put a YouTube video of whatever. We'll put this one, even though okay, another UX thing. See, I clicked on this. Why can't I click on this? I want to be able to click on everything. This, or even these. All right. What's Game Center? Look at that. I mean, I guess I get it. Kind of confusing. Anyways, let's do the last thing. Let's put a video up in here. And okay, I'll put the YouTube. Nice. And where's my draggy? There we go. That was weird. Oh, nice. It just fills up the screen. No. Oh, no. Because it has auto height and everything to keep the ratio. What if I did? Yeah, even if I did like this or something. If I did this, like in the center, what would happen? That's small, though. All right. I'm gonna figure you out. Oh, no. No, no. Things are breaking. Whoa, what's going on? No. Nav bar. Okay, good. Okay. I added more columns so I can make this more centered and big. Cool. And then I can kind of go like this with the body and just change the color to this. Nope. Nope. Yep. I think that'll work. Publish. Let's see what happens. Oh, wait. This should move. Recap. And this one should go to home. And I have to do it again because grid don't work on symbols yet. Oh, what? So I have... Why? So if I do that, what happens on recap? Okay, it still works. I was afraid. Cool. Okay, home works. Recap works. Let's fix the links. And we're done for the day. Recap. Publish. Cool. I think that was fun. Let's go ahead and refresh. Okay, so that works. Oh, I need to highlight this. On hover, need a hover effect. On hover, change the background to something subtle, like that. And we're gonna go ahead and set a transition for the background. And now we're done. Check it out. Sweet. Go like this. Sweet. It fits. Yes. That was fun. Make it simple. Because when it comes to UX, when people are coming to the site, what do they care about most? You want to help them get there with as least clicks as possible. All right? So if I'm a fan, I'm looking for who won what. It's all right here because people read websites in the F formation. Top left, go to the right. Back to the top left. Go down from the middle, go to the right. Go back to the left and go down. So if someone's looking for scores, boom, right here. And you don't have to wait for a JavaScript. No, wrong page. You don't have to wait for a JavaScript slider. You don't have to wait for a slider to be like, okay, where's my team? Where's my team? Where's my team? If this was like scroll wheel, if I can do a horizontal scroll wheel, I can't. But if I had a horizontal scroll wheel with this, might make it much easier. Even more faster as a UX type of thing. What if you had a search right here and you just typed in Cloud9 or C9 or Evil Geniuses or something, and it'll immediately highlight or bring you to your favorite team's scores and their standings or their stats or whatever. So you have it all in one thing. So it's like much quicker. You know? So kind of things like that. You want to help your users get to the information that they need faster. All right. So, yeah, that was fun. All right, let's go back. Go back here. Whoa, cool. Thank you guys. That was fun. As always, I will go ahead and post this on my Webflow profile, webflow.com/pixelgeek. You can clone it, have fun with it, play around with Grid. Yeah, Grid makes things much faster. Oh, yeah. Still little quirks here and there, like the symbols, and CMS doesn't work with it yet, but you know, we're working on it. We're working on it. Okay, so in 2 days, I'll try to stream again around 9:30 p.m. Pacific. What else? Oh yeah, next week, Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific, youtube.com/webflow. Something's gonna happen. Stay tuned to the Webflow Twitter account, also my own Twitter account at the Pixel Geek. We'll announce what's gonna happen. Can you take a guess? You want to take a guess? It's gonna be fun. We're gonna be building a simple blog page. No, I'm just kidding. You can already find that information at university.webflow.com. But thank you guys so much for being here. See you next time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Tickle that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next chat room, a live chat room. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya. I didn't play my music. Oh well. No music. Let's just go. Bye.